Hey guys, Gerald for Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and an unboxing of the P.A.M Mini PUMA Seldom King. Before we get into this review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, subscribe, drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way. We want to take this time and opportunity to thank subscribers new and old. Without you guys, we can't do this. Thank you. Let's go, and today we've got a look at the P.A.M Mini Seldom King from PUMA and the Australian brand P.A.M Mini. So, as I mentioned before, P.A.M Mini is an Australian brand, and they are a store that carry a lot of brands. They deal with wholesale, so it's pretty cool that there's a lot of love for Australian brands right at the minute, which we love to see. And PUMA have done theirs with the PUMA Seldom King. I like to play on the words and hear it quickly, Seldom King. And we got this in the black tar apple colorway in the UK size 8, European 42, and this US 9. So just before we unbox it, have a look at the box right here. So you got the P.A.M Mini logo, great use of like the flowering, and then you've got the PUMA logo, and again, P.A.M Mini eyes right there also. Yeah, really nice sneaker. Again, I just want to comment on how a lot of sneaker brands at the minute, they're incorporating a long tongue, big tongue, whatever you want to call it, to give you that football look, that flair, if you will. Very reminiscent. I mean, first things looking at this even reminds me of the PUMA King, which is obviously where it's the name of Seldom King. So you got the Seldom here as well on the sole. We're gonna go into all that right now for you. So we'll start with the outsole. So this outsole, you got rubber pods right there with the radial patterning. And you got your PUMA cell technology incorporated in the insole. You can kind of see that the honeycombs right there that highlights the PUMA cell. Moving on to the midsole unit. So this midsole unit is a foam midsole, but then you can see, as I mentioned before, you got like these kind of, I wouldn't say it does look kind of translucent rubber here that adds the cell, that's encompassing the cell here for your cushioning. Foam midsole, as I mentioned before, and then we move to the upper, which is an all leather upper, and that's where you get the king from the name. So for those that aren't in the know, the PUMA King is a great football boot, famously worn by the likes of Pele, and I mean, what else do I need to say? Pele football, amazing, and he wore the PUMA King. So this has I'd say the foundations of the PUMA King. You can see with the run stripe there. On the medial side also, all leather upper. Look at the toe box. See the tones, the raised parts of the sneaker there also. And you've got flat laces. Again, this two-tongue which you can kind of remove, but you want that look, Again, you got these fashion girls, fashion people, and whatever, influencers, bloggers, fashion bloggers. I mean, they're all into that just football culture at the minute. Here for it because I love football myself. And you look at the back. So here you've got the P.A.M Mini logo with the PUMA cap there. And looking at the insole, so this insole, got a textile insole with Forever Better on the left, and just on the inside on the right, got the P.A.M and PUMA logo inside also. That wraps my review. Tons of these sneaker brands are incorporating football culture into their sneakers at the minute because that is quite on trend right now. Here for it, I love football. Hopefully you like these sneakers. Let's try them on. Roll that footage of me trying these on. comes to the fit, guys, this is UK size 8. What I typically wear is a 7.5 or footwear, but these fit perfectly. Big fan of the long tongue, makes me look like I'm going to play some other side later tonight. And I'm not mad at it, it just looks like a pair of PUMA Kings. Don't go well. Don't go well. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz on Instagram and on TikTok. Until next time, peace.